Hello and welcome to the video. Today, I'll guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect MailerLite with Integromat. It's simple to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, you can find a link in the description below. Use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your Integromat Make account and click on Scenarios. Next, select Create a new scenario. Click the Add button, then search for and select MailerLite. Click on MailerLite and choose Connect Manually. In a new tab, log into your MailerLite account and go to Integrations. Find the API section and click on Use. Click Create Token, check the agreement box, and give your token a name. Afterward, click Create Token, then copy the API key. Return to Integromat, paste the API key, and your connection is complete. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for spending time and watching our videos.